138. The anticipation has been rewarded. The 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray has been revealed. A worldwide audience of automotive press were privy to the debut on the eve of the North American International Auto Show. Thousands have competed with this car in its prototype form, with camouflage concealing the exterior design. But while the camouflage has been lifted, this car is not yet in production. This is the 2014 Corvette Stingray in final prototype pre-production form. Until the car goes into production later this year, consider yourself part of an elite team of engineers committed to the extensive fine-tuning and rigorous calibration that goes into perfecting the ultimate driver's car.